working.
No, I'm not working. I'm playing today.
Yay!
I was like, is that Kelsey?
Have so much fun.
You too. I'm gonna try.
Okay, because I did not get my picture off. That's what I'm saying.
Look at the wall of cast members, bodyguards. We're with the party. Thank you. From last year, now they're back. Yay!
Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Trek. Transfer to Green and Red Line. Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. Right by two of my favorite spots.
All visitors from Galaxy N31, please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Prepare thyself for a spellbinding treat that is filled with a bit of hocus pocus.
Yay!
We are back for but one night.
All Hallows Eve, the best night of the year.
And although circumstances may be less than desired. Everyone's favorite, Oogie Boogie, the potato sack. This time, I do. I lie. It's been 300 years, right down to the day. Ooh, and now you're gone. So nothing said you, and it was strong. Yeah, I have always worked, because I've always been working. In California,
Parade viewing right in front of Diamond Horseshoe. Cassidy! Cassidy! Are you a Queen Baby Yoda? Yeah. Queen Baby Yoda with tiara and everything. Yeah. Yeah, that's your name. No, what did I say about this? We talked about this, Cassidy. We talked about this. What's it called, Shay?
I gotta look at the receipt.
Something kind.
I don't know if you guys want to try this. I did drink off of it.
What is it?
This is fantastic. It is the Dune Buggy over at where was it?
Sleepy.
It's a spellbinding
Sleepy Hollow.
pie.
Spellbound pie. All right, you can eat that now. What's this?
This is the push pop. I definitely ate the floating picture off of it, but it is freaking delicious. It
Yum.
was raspberry buttercream.
Yum. Ate the parade. So we'll see what happens. Girl's on the other side. She's stuck on the other side.
As they proudly present the not so scary Mickey
If I come back to Disney, I need a medical petition.
Jim. is one for both the young and the old. Unlike anything you've ever seen. Get ready, for this is Halloween!
This
indeed. You see, my friend.
So between the between the major storm that put us back a couple of hours, and then the parade that was delayed, which also delayed the fireworks, we haven't really had a whole lot of time to trick or treat. Arlo's passed out. Everyone else is on mine train right now.
What is that? It's magic.
Wow! And so I walked us through the Phil Har treat place, which I think is my favorite. I know I'm biased. Walked us through there. They were playing Legend of Sleepy Hollow and Mr. Toad. And then I also walked through Pinocchio's, which was like a double treat trail as well. Haven't gotten much candy, and the party ends in 30 minutes. So we'll see. I don't think we need a whole lot of candy. Of course, Jared would think otherwise. I'm kind of hoping they'll finish. We can get some more candy, like hit some of the treat trails real quick. But we'll see. Kind of hitting it down to the wire. It is 11:25, so we'll see. I don't have time to do it. Today actually was very successful. It was a really good day. I got to see all the things that I wanted to see. All the girls got to kind of do things that they wanted to do. And even though I was like not feeling well, I feel okay. I'm probably gonna feel like a zombie in the morning, but pretty successful. Mickey's not so scary. Very glad it's back. Very happy. Oh my goodness! Last ride of the night.